From Buds to Bananas by Betty Riggs. There's your table of contents. Peeling a banana. Matt loves to eat bananas. He likes to peel the yellow skin one strip at a time. Sometimes he just eats the banana, and sometimes he cuts up the banana onto his cereal. So here's Matt with his banana. Bananas have lots of vitamins and minerals. But where does Matt get the banana? So where's this banana come from? From a store. Matt and his mom go to the store. They see lots of bananas. Matt knows green bananas are not sweet, but the yellow ones are ready to eat. He puts a bright yellow bunch in their cart. So here are some ripe yellow bananas that are soft and sweet, and here's your label that are bunches of bananas. But how do the bananas get to the store? So we have the store where you're going to get your banana, but how do they get there? On a truck. Bananas get to the store on a big truck. The truck carries boxes of green bananas. Green bananas are not ripe. They are hard and taste bitter. They will ripen later after leaving the truck. Many people cook green bananas to make them taste better. So here's some green bananas in the truck that they come on. But how do the bananas get to the truck? So you have the truck now with the bananas on it that is going to the store so you can buy them. But how do they get to the truck? On a big ship. Big ships carry hundreds of boxes of bananas across the sea and around the world. Workers put the boxes of bananas in cold, dark rooms so they stay green. Sometimes the trip takes many days, so here's the ship that they would come on. But where do the workers get the bananas? So the ship brings them to put them on the truck to take them to the store where you buy them. But where do these workers get the bananas? At a banana farm. Workers pick bunches of bananas at a farm. Then they check the size and color of every banana. The good bananas go into boxes. The rotten ones are left out. Everyone watches for banana spiders in the bunches, so here's a spider that you might find if you're picking bananas. But where do the bananas come from? So they're at a farm where they pick them and put them on the ship to take them to the truck to get them to the store so you can get the bananas. But where do the bananas come from? From a bud. Bunches of bananas grow from a huge purple bud. There are beautiful yellow flowers inside it. Each yellow flower turns into a tiny fruit called a finger. Then each finger quickly grows into a little green banana. So here's a picture of the bananas. This is the purple bud that it talked about. And there's the flower. And these are what they call the fingers that turn into the bananas. Each row of flowers becomes a row of bananas. But where do the buds grow? So over here you have the bud that's on the farm. You pick them from the farm and put them on the ship. That takes them to the truck. The truck takes them to the store so you can buy your banana. But where do these buds grow? On a banana plant. Banana buds grow on plants with super tall stems and big leaves. The plants grow in hot, wet places. Banana plants grow fast. They need water, soil, and plenty of sun. So here are the leaves on the banana plant, and this is the stem of the banana plant, and here you can see the bananas that are growing. Animals love to eat bananas too, so you see the monkey eating the banana. But why do people grow banana plants? So you have the plant that came from the bud that they picked on the farm, that they put on the ship, took them to the truck to get them to the store so you could buy your bananas. To eat bananas. Bananas are amazing. They come in their own wrapper so they are easy to carry, and they are good for you too. Best of all, they taste great. Fun banana facts. Bananas float in water like apples and watermelons. People around the world eat tons of bananas in a year. A cluster of bananas is called a hand. A hand has 10 to 20 fingers.